Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Doc Talk. I am Dr. Nirmal and the topic we are going to discuss today is NEET PG 21 counseling delay and the impact on NEET PG 2022. So this is the third part of the same series. In part 1, I discussed the chronology. In part 2, I discussed the response of the different resident doctor associations and the impact on the NEET PG 2022. And in this one, I will be discussing what is going on in the present time. Okay. Let's start with the previous notice which came by Union Resident Doctors of Punjab. So the Union Resident Doctors of Punjab gave this statement to their medical superintendent of Rajendra Hospital, Patiala, and in which they were saying that they will be going to withdraw all the OPD services from 27th of November 2021 onwards to mark their protest against the repeated delay in NEET PG 2021 counseling. Okay, and the things they mentioned that the residents are carrying the burden of both COVID as well as non-COVID services tirelessly for last 1.5 years and are exhausted physically as well as mentally, which is 200% true. And there seems no respite to the physical and mental distress with the next court hearing scheduled on 6th of January, which is very far. The residents of GMCH and Rajendra Hospital, Patiala, have decided to withdraw OPD services on Saturday, 27 November 2021 onwards, and any such unfortunate situation affecting healthcare services will be on the concerned authorities. So this was a statement given by Union of Resident Doctors of Punjab, which include 3 resident doctor associations, that is of Patiala, Amritsar and Faridkot. Okay, so this was from Punjab. Then the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare met the IMA JDN and they took a meeting with our Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Mansukh Mandviya ji, and he assured that the issue will be resolved soon. So there was some hope that now the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare had come forward, the issue will resolve soon. But the outcome was this tweet came last night. Okay, so in this tweet it came on 30th of November 2021 and today is 1st of December. So this tweet says Government of India constitutes a 3-member committee for reviewing the criteria for EWS reservation and the former finance secretary, that is Ajay Bhushan Pandey, to head the committee, and this committee has been requested to complete the task within 3 weeks. So the thing is that Supreme Court gave 4 weeks for similar task, and now the Government of India has making a committee which will do the same in 3 weeks, and this came almost like 5 days after the Supreme Court ruling. So basically it is 4 weeks already. Okay, then this notice came, which is an official notice from the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and Department of Social Justice and Empowerment. So in this they have given that the constitution of committee for reviewing the criteria of EWS reservation, and those 3 people, the key people who will be making this committee are Shri Ajay Bhushan Pandey, who is former finance secretary, Government of India, Professor V.K. Malhotra, who is a member secretary of ICSSR, and Shri Sanjay Sanyal, who is a principal economic advisor to Government of India. So these are the 3 key people who are going to constitute this committee and will be going to report in 3 weeks. Now, is this a solution? I don't think so. This is not a solution at all. A thing the government, the Supreme Court told you to do this in 4 weeks. Now after 5 days you have making committee do this in 3 weeks. So it is actually the same thing, be it 3 or 4 weeks, the counseling is going to delay. So for this the RDS response was this one. So they released this press release, and Federation of All India Medical Association have come forward and has given this press release, which was on 30th of November 2021, in which they say that a emergency meeting of state RDS leaders and FIMA office barriers was convened on 29th of November 2021 at 10 p.m. and they have decided a joint national action plan of FIMA and state RDS. Now the top RDA officials across the country have reached that the nationwide protest and the agitation by resident doctors throughout the country to expedite NEET PG 2021 counseling shall continue as decided. Now, कब तक protest होगा? They have also mentioned this until a written statement mentioning the date of the judicial hearing or commencement of counseling is issued by the competent authority. Now they have written two things: a written statement which mentions the date of the judicial hearing, okay, which is not given yet, and commencement of counseling is issued from competent authority, again, which is not issued yet. So basically their two demands have not been fulfilled, so most probably the protest will go on from 1st of December. Now this will include complete shutdown of elective services from December 1, 2021, which is today, and they have constituted a national action committee which is going to lead the protest, and they will decide, okay, the leaders of all the major institutes and state RDS which are in the national action committee will take the further decisions, and regarding the continuation, okay, or the termination of the strike shall be taken by the NAC, that is Nation Action Committee. Okay, and why they are doing this? Because there is a possibility of an imminent upcoming third wave of COVID, and it is essential that the counseling process is started at the earliest to prevent the collapse of healthcare system, which is 210% true. So if 2/3 workforce will be there in the hospitals and the third wave of COVID will hit, I don't know how already exhausted physically as well as mentally doctor are gonna handle that. Okay, so basically, according to this press release, the protest is not over, even though a notice has came from the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, which is saying that the three persons committee will be doing the work in less than 3 weeks. Okay, though I don't think so that's a solution at all. So I guess that's all. Thanks to all RDS, FODAs and FIMA who are helping the aspirants and the junior residents who are overworked to get the justice. I guess that's all for today.